Hi guys, welcome back to my channel for another beauty video. Today's video is a how-to on how to cover up dark circles. I'll share with you a few simple tips and tricks and products I use to go from this to this. So if you want to learn my tips and tricks, just keep on watching. Oh wait, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so my first tip before we even get into any of the makeup is to make sure that you're using a really good eye cream every single night before bed. Do not neglect your skincare because you not only want to cover up your problem areas, but you want to try to treat them as much as possible. But right now I'm using the Garnier Skin Active Ultra Lift Miracle Sleeping Cream. So I make sure I use this every single night before bed, and I wake up looking more refreshed and my under eye area is hydrated. I get very dry around my eyes. Actually, the skin around your eyes is the only part of your face that doesn't get hydration naturally, so you want to make sure you're constantly hydrating it. Don't sleep on this, ladies, very important. So this is going to help with fatigue and dark circles and wrinkles, and also give you a very lifted look. Okay, so let's move on. No surprise here, I use this in every single one of my makeup tutorials. It is the NYX Dark Circle Concealer Corrector, and what this is a salmon colored corrector, and I always apply this first before I apply my concealer to actually mask the darkness under my eyes. Because what's going to happen if I just apply my concealer directly onto my dark circles is that darkness is going to start peeping throughout the day, and you don't want that. I mean, that almost looks worse than not applying anything at all. So I always use my Sigma F75 concealer brush to apply, and I always apply a very generous amount. So then I just blend that, and as you can see, it makes a tremendous difference just on its own. It's like night and day. Like I instantly, this side of my face looks refreshed and awake, and this side is just like, I want to go back to sleep. And I also apply some to my lid as well. Okay, and now I'm going to just speed up the other side. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Concealer in the shade Creamy Natural. Okay, and the last step is to make sure you set all this with a very good translucent powder. You want it to last you all day. You don't want to have to be touching up throughout the day. So I've already opened it, but I'm using the Kat Von D setting powder. This is just a sample. And I'm using my Sigma F35 tapered highlighting brush to apply the powder. And that is literally it. That is all I do to cover up my dark circles. Very quick, very simple. And I'm going to go apply the rest of my makeup, and I will be right back. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments section what how-to you'd like to see next. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.